Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start here, power on the Wii and put fresh batteries into the new Wii Remote. You want a stable home menu before proceeding so the console accepts signals. Once done, position yourself 3 to 10 feet from the sensor bar and point the remote at the TV to reduce interference. Make sure Wiimotes are off before pressing sync and remove any metal objects near the sensor bar because they can distort infrared cues. Now you're ready to open the sync options. You navigate the console next. Open the SD card slot cover on original Wiis to reveal the red sync button. On newer models, use the panel as indicated. Press that red sync button once. This makes the Wii listen for a controller. Then immediately press and hold the sync button inside the remote's battery compartment until the LEDs on the front flash. This handshake pairs identities. Think of it as the console and remote exchanging names. Wait for the lights to stop blinking and settle on a player LED. You finish by confirming sync. The remote's player LED should lock to 1 through 4. Press it to check responsiveness in the home menu. If nothing happened, replace batteries and repeat the console to remote sync sequence within 10 seconds. Timing matters. If it still fails, power cycle the Wii and disconnect any other active remotes to avoid conflicts, then try again. As a troubleshooting tip, reduce fluorescent lighting or reflective surfaces near the sensor bar, which can break infrared communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.